At number 10, we invite you to experience unparalleled elegance in an unforgettable setting. This remarkable hotel effortlessly combines luxury with convenience, boasting elegant rooms and top-notch amenities that cater to every traveler's desires. Whether you're here for business or leisure, its central location ensures easy access to the city's attractions. Get ready to embark on a journey of a lifetime. Check out the video description for more details and pricing. If you are tired of spending hours searching for the perfect hotel, check out FreeTravelHelp. It is completely free, and there are no hidden charges. Just simply fill out a quick form on our website, and we'll send you personalized hotel recommendations straight to your email inbox. Visit FreeTravelHelp and make your travel experience hassle-free. You can find the link in the video description. At number 9, indulge in the epitome of luxury at a hotel that's nothing short of perfection. With meticulously designed rooms and impeccable services, your stay promises to be a memorable one. Conveniently located near the city's attractions, you'll have the opportunity to make the most of your trip. Find out more in the video description and book your stay today for an experience you won't soon forget. Number 8 brings us to a hotel that ticks all the boxes for an extraordinary getaway. Offering a seamless blend of opulence and convenience, this hotel boasts beautifully furnished rooms and excellent facilities that guarantee pure bliss. Dive deeper into what this retreat has to offer in the video description, and discover your ideal escape. Welcome to your dream destination at number 7, where sophistication and comfort intertwine effortlessly. Treat yourself to plush accommodations and first-class amenities, while enjoying easy access to all the city has to offer. Start planning your trip today by checking out the video description for more enchanting details and pricing. At number 6, immerse yourself in a haven of elegance and relaxation at a premier hotel that promises an exceptional stay. From tastefully appointed rooms to top-tier services, every moment here is designed to exceed your expectations. Explore further in the video description and secure your spot for an unforgettable getaway. Experience the pinnacle of luxury at number 5, where lavish accommodations and impeccable hospitality await. Centrally located, you'll have the opportunity to explore the city's treasures with ease. Make your dream stay a reality by checking out more information and prices in the video description. Number 4 invites you to a hotel where comfort and sophistication unite to create an extraordinary experience. Stylish rooms and excellent amenities await, perfectly complemented by the hotel's convenient location. Discover more about this exceptional accommodation and start planning your next adventure today. Immerse yourself in a world of luxury at number 3, where well-appointed rooms and top-tier facilities promise nothing short of perfection. With its prime location, sightseeing becomes a breeze. Learn more about this exceptional escape in the video description, and secure your spot for an unforgettable experience. At number 2, indulge in the finest hospitality at a hotel that caters to your every need. Elegant rooms and attentive services await, all within reach of the city's must-see attractions. Dive deeper into this incredible stay by checking out prices in the video description, and book your perfect getaway today. Finally, at number 1, discover a hidden gem among hotels where luxury and convenience harmonize beautifully. Tastefully decorated rooms and top-notch amenities promise a memorable stay, while the central location makes exploring the city effortless. Embark on a journey of unparalleled comfort by referring to the video description for additional information and pricing. If you are tired of spending hours searching for the perfect hotel, check out FreeTravelHelp. It is completely free, and there are no hidden charges. Just simply fill out a quick form on our website, and we'll send you personalized hotel recommendations straight to your email inbox. Visit FreeTravelHelp and make your travel experience hassle-free. You can find the link in the video description.